Hey guys, today I will show you how to do your front brakes. We will need some basic tools like jack, stands and wrenches. Let's get into it. We can start by applying handbrake and putting the car into gear. Pump the car up and secure it with stand. I will jack both sides. First, we can remove bolts from guide pins. They are hidden behind plastic caps. There is bolt head inside. In this case I need 6-point socket. There it is. I will pry with flat-headed screwdriver to push piston back. It will be easier to remove caliper. Remove the spring, just pry it out with screwdriver. And remove caliper. Make sure to not pinch your lines. Brake disc is held by 2 screws. Those are very problematic because they will rust onto your hub. Help yourself with hammer. By hitting it you will loosen the rust. I soaked them with WD-40, and I will give them a try. Now I will remove caliper bracket, in this case 17mm socket. When your disc is stuck to the hub, help yourself with hammer. After disc is removed, properly clean hub surface.
Body, anybody, anybody. Body, anybody, anybody. Body, anybody, anybody. Body, anybody, anybody.
We can continue by removing brake pads from caliper, just pry them. My new brakes will be 8. I will compare old with new ones. Compare their size and bolt pattern.
I just want to say to you, I just want to say to you, I just want to say to you, I just want to say to you. Body, anybody, anybody. Body, anybody, anybody. Body, anybody, anybody. Body, anybody, anybody.
Clean your disc from oils and grease. I will grease the bolts for disc, so next time I won't have such a hard time. My discs didn't come with new bolts, so I will reuse old ones. I am using this Permatex grease. Clean your caliper mount. I will grease parts of the mount, where pads make contact with it. When you don't grease these parts, your brakes may squeak or a bad wear pattern. That's because the pads can get stuck. Now I will clean up the guide pins. I am using 400 grit sandpaper. Like new. Now I will retract piston. I am using pliers, but there are tools specially made for this job. Clean the piston face. Apply a bit of grease on it. And grease the guide pins. Brush the caliper bit. And apply grease to where pads make contact. There are two types of pads, the one with spring will go into the piston. The one without spring is on the outside. If you have problem with installing caliper, the probable cause is that piston is not retracted enough. Now just tighten the guide pins. Brush the spring and install it. We can install the plastic caps back and we are done. This side is done. The other side is sped up, and on the end of the video is shown what to do before first ride. After brake job we have to go under the hood. And after few brake pumps we have to check the level of fluid in reservoir. I have too much so I will take a bit out. After installing new brakes, you must run them in. Instructions are often printed on the box. Thank you for watching.